welcome back to our channel. So, last time I talked about on how to choose the right font for your project. So, today in this video, I want to talk about on how to enhance color on your design.
Since a long time ago, people are influenced by color. Color also have connections and defines mood. Other than that, we also define some color symbolism. For example, yellow for warning or cautions, red to stop, and green for nature. Next, let's learn color theory. The first one is warm colors. Warm colors are more often associated with passion, energy, impulsiveness, happiness, coziness, and also comfort. Next, cool colors. Colors of water. Cool colors are more often associated with calm, trust, professionalism, sadness, and melancholy. We will learn about hue, saturation, and value. This is hue, actual color of an object. For example, as you can see on the screen, it's red. Then that's a hue. The hue is red. Saturation. Saturation is degree of purity of a hue. And the last one is value. Value is a measure of the amount of light reflected from a color and is basically how light or dark a hue is. Tips for choosing color for your design. First one is use color palette. Using palette is a good idea because you can rely on color combinations others have already carefully selected. Next, choose a group of colors because colors trigger emotions, for example, warm colors and cool colors. I'm going to teach you on how to make a color swatches on Photoshop. Firstly, open your favorite image. Unlock the images and apply filter for it. After that, open your Swatches tab. Go to the Windows and click Swatches. Next, delete all the swatches to make a new swatches. To make a new swatches, you must use eyedropper tool. Click the color that you like to save, click New Swatches and save. Repeat the same process if you want to save many swatches or many colors. Don't forget to save your swatches so that next time you can open it again.
That's all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you guys can share, like, and subscribe this channel now. Bye!